My name's Chad from Ohio in the United States. I'm a customer of Dexco. I did a lot of renovations to my house, inside and out, and I wanted to show you the balusters that I had bought from Dexco. And doing my front porch, I redid the whole front porch. I was looking for some really nice balusters that would really set it off, and I found some, as I said, through Dexco. I bought some round ones, as you'll see here in a minute, and I went completely around my front porch and did some stair railing as well with the balusters. So yeah, I'll take the camera, I'll go out and show you. I'm really pleased with the product. Canadian company, and got a great product, and I'd like to show you my finished result.